Linux Mint's next major release won't be arriving until Christmas 2026. The Linux Mint team has officially announced that they are moving to a longer development cycle to give themselves more time to fix bugs and improve the desktop experience. As a result, Linux Mint 23 is now scheduled to launch in December 2026. This marks a significant shift from their previous twice yearly release schedule. Project lead Clement Lefebvre explained that one of Mint's biggest strengths has always been doing things incrementally and changing slowly. However, the Linux landscape is evolving rapidly, and the team needs more flexibility to adapt and be ambitious in the development. Clem mentioned that they are already feeling the benefits of this longer cycle, saying they now have time to do things properly and that nothing feels off limits anymore. Along with the delayed release, several important changes are planned. Linux Mint 23 will be based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. It will ship with a newer version of the Cinnamon desktop environment, including a brand new Wayland lock screen. One of the biggest technical upgrades is the switch to the same installer used by LMDE, Linux Mint's Debian edition. This new installer offers much better support for OEM installations, secure boot, and LVM/LUKS full disk encryption. The team is also rethinking their naming and versioning scheme. With the recent release of Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, they have reached the end of their traditional alphabetical female forenames. For now, the next version is being temporarily codenamed Alpha, as in Alpha. They haven't yet decided whether the release will still be called Linux Mint 23 or if they will introduce an entirely new versioning system. The codename is necessary because their package repositories need clear, human readable names. Many details are still being finalized, including how often future releases will arrive, whether they will continue with point releases, and if they should introduce alpha versions earlier to allow more community testing. The goal is to create a release strategy that gives the team both stability and the freedom to innovate. For most users who rely on Linux Mint for its dependability and ease of use, this change is likely positive news. It promises a more polished and refined operating system, even if it means waiting longer between major versions. Users currently on Linux Mint 22.3 Zena will continue receiving updates and support until 2029, so there's no immediate pressure to upgrade. Overall, Linux Mint is choosing quality and thoughtful development over speed, staying true to its reputation as one of the most reliable and user-friendly Linux distributions available.